Have you ever wondered how much money YouTubers actually make from their videos? Is it $10, $100 or more? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how much 10,000 views can earn you on YouTube. And trust me, the answer isn't as simple as you think. I'll explain the factors that determine your earnings, show real-life examples, and give you tips to maximize your income. Let's dive in. Let's take a look at how YouTube earnings work. CPM, or cost per mile, refers to how much advertisers are willing to pay for 1,000 ad impressions. RPM, or revenue per mile, refers to what you, the creator, takes home for 1,000 views after YouTube gets its cut. Comment below what niche you are in and what is your RPM. The amount of ad revenue you earn from your videos is going to vary a lot depending on your type of niche, your audience location, and ad types. For example, a tech channel might earn between $10 and $20 per 1,000 views, while a vlogging channel might earn between $1 and $3. So why does a tech channel earn more? Advertisers are willing to pay more for targeted, high-value audiences. For example, let's look at a low CPM channel like entertainment or vlogs. Let's say your CPM is $3 and your RPM is $1.50. That means for 10,000 views, you'd roughly make $15. Let's look at a mid-range CPM channel like lifestyle or education. For a niche like education, the CPM might be around $10 with an RPM of $5. That means for 10,000 views, you'd earn $50. Let's take a look at how much money 10,000 views makes on my own YouTube channel by looking at the CPM and RPM. This video has a CPM of $14.15 and an RPM of $5.17 and accumulated 10,928 views. The estimated revenue that is generated is $56.46. That means I get paid $56 for 10,000 views. Let's take a look at this video with 12,000 views. The CPM is $13, which is how much advertisers pay every 1,000 times your watch page content is viewed with ads. The RPM is $3.80, and the accumulated revenue is $45.53 for 12,000 views. The RPM is what you take home after YouTube gets its cut. So I earned $45 for 10,000 views with an RPM of $3.80. This YouTube video titled How to Contact YouTube Customer Support 2024 has gained 10,000 views and earned an estimated revenue of $146. That's because it has a higher CPM of $30 and a higher RPM of $13.63. So you can see that the videos on my channel that got 10,000 views earn different revenue based upon the CPM and RPM. What about a high CPM channel like finance or tech? If you're in a high-paying niche like finance, the CPMs can hit $20 with RPMs around $10. That means if you get 10,000 views on a single video, you'll make $100 in profit from that video. Another factor that determines how much ad revenue you earn is audience location. Viewers located in the USA, United Kingdom, and Canada tend to generate higher CPMs than viewers from other locations throughout the world. For example, if I click on audience in YouTube Analytics and look under top geographies, I can see that most of my audience comes from the United States, India, United Kingdom, Canada, and Philippines. If I click on see more, I can see all the other countries where my audience comes from. If I click on the plus sign to add a metric to the table, click on CPM, then I'll change the date to last 365 days. The CPM was the highest in the United States, followed by Greenland, Australia, Switzerland, Canada, New Zealand, United Kingdom, Norway, Germany, Netherlands, etc. The lowest CPMs came from these countries. Therefore, it makes sense to target viewers in the US, UK, and Canada to generate more ad revenue from your channel. Another factor that determines how much ad revenue you generate from your channel and videos is the types of ads. Skippable, non-skippable, and bumper ads all pay differently. Non-skippable ads usually pay more. Non-skippable in-stream ads are 30 seconds or shorter and play before, during, or after other videos. Viewers don't have the option to skip the ad, which can be very annoying. The amount that you get paid for non-skippable ads is based upon impressions. Here's how they appear on mobile, TV screens, and desktop computers. Skippable ads also play before, during, and after other videos on YouTube. Here's how skippable ads appear on desktop, mobile, and TV screens. Viewers can skip the ad after 5 seconds to continue watching the video. You get paid when a viewer watches 30 seconds of your video or watches the entire duration of your video if it's shorter than 30 seconds, or interacts with your video, whichever comes first. They also appear on websites and apps on Google Video Partners. Bumper ads are 6 seconds or shorter and play before, during, and after another video. Viewers don't have the option to skip the ad. They appear on YouTube videos, websites, and apps that are running on YouTube Video Partners. The amount that you get paid is based upon impressions. Another factor that affects how much ad revenue you generate from your channel are seasonal variations. For example, the months before Christmas, advertisers have more advertising dollars to spend on ads. This is in sharp contrast to the first few months of a new year when advertising dollars have already been spent. You'll notice a sharp drop in advertising revenue generated from your channel. Let's talk about how you can maximize your earnings on YouTube. Target high-value niches. Consider focusing on topics like tech, finance, or health to attract higher-paying ads. Engage a premium audience. Videos watched in top-tier countries like the United States, United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada typically earn more than other countries. Leverage multiple ad formats. Enable all ad types, including mid-roll ads that are over 8 minutes long. Higher ad revenue can come from longer videos because more ads can be placed in that video. For mid-roll ads, you can even choose where to place the ad breaks. Under place ads during mid-roll video, mid-rolls will be placed at natural breakpoints. You can review and adjust the placement after the video has finished processing. Just click on Review Placement, and here's the automatic placement of the ads on my video. I can click Place Automatically or choose Ad Break. Click Place Automatically, and here's the automatic placement of the ads on my video. Diversify your revenue streams. Ads don't have to be the only source of income from your channel. Other ways to generate income from your channel include promoting affiliate products, selling your own products and courses, sponsorships and brand deals, or selling merchandise. For example, I've earned over $15,000 as an affiliate for TubeBuddy. This is because I actively use and promote their products. Link is in the description. You can also earn money on YouTube with fan funding and certain shopping features. Channel memberships offer exclusive perks and content to monthly paying members. Click the join button below to become a member of my channel. Super Thanks allows viewers to pay you to highlight their comments in videos and shorts. Super Chat Super Stickers allow fans to pay you to get their messages and animated images highlighted in live stream chats. Shopping allows viewers to browse and buy your own products as well as from other brands that you recommend. To earn from fan funding, you need 500 subscribers, 3 valid public uploads in the last 90 days, and either 3,000 valid public watch hours in the past year or 3 million valid public short views in the last 90 days. Here are a couple of frequently asked questions from viewers. Does 10,000 views always make money? Not always. For example, if your video is not monetized or your audience is using ad blockers, you're not going to generate any ad revenue from your videos. Does YouTube Shorts pay the same as long videos? No, Shorts monetization is different than long form videos. Shorts videos rely on Shorts ads that play between the Shorts videos. Since Shorts videos are 3 minutes or less, you don't earn much ad revenue unless you get millions of views on your Shorts. So how much can 10,000 views make you? It depends, but with the right niche, audience, and strategy, you can make between $10 and $100 per video or more. If you want to earn more on YouTube with less effort, watch the video on the screen right now on how I make money on YouTube while sleeping. You'll be glad you did.